So apparently, according to the algorithms, when you comment with emojis and you don't necessarily type words, it doesn't help the algorithms. Also, saving does not necessarily help the algorithms. So that means that you guys are going to have to kindly be reposting or sharing on your stories to help support. And when you want to comment, please don't use emojis. Type words, type words. And most importantly, if you can, I will really appreciate if you could use my music in the background of some of the content which you post. That will really be appreciated. Yeah, that will really be appreciated. Thank you guys. Once again, I am Too Deep in God's Grace, a neo-contemporary urban gospel artist. Kindly follow me and help share my content. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Love.